suppose you want to buy this toy from a shop. So what will you carry with you to buy this toy from the shop? Will you give some sweets to the shopkeeper in order to get this toy, or will you give this money to the shopkeeper in order to buy this toy? Yes, you will give this money to buy this toy. So children, you need this money to buy a toy. So what do we need to buy anything? We need money to buy anything from the market. So children, money is very much important in our daily routine life. We need money to buy many things. Now children, let's talk about our Indian money. Indian money is in the form of coins and notes. ठीक है, तो हमारी जो इंडियन मनी है वो किस फॉर्म में है? हमारी कॉइन्स में भी है एंड नोट्स में भी. इंडियन मनी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉइन्स एंड नोट्स. ठीक है. So children, coins are made up of metals and they are round in shape. Children, coins are made up of metals and they are round in shape. Now come to the next part, that is notes. Notes are made up of paper and they are called currency. So these are the notes. These notes are made up of paper, right? So you can see clearly. So these are notes and they are made up of paper and we called it currency. Our Indian standard unit of money is rupee and the symbol of rupees is this one. ठीक है, तो हम rupees के लिए कौन सा symbol use करते हैं? This one. We can also use RE. ठीक है, हम RE भी use करते हैं in order to denote rupee. ठीक है, जब रूपी वर्ड आता है तो हम उसको आर ई भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड आर एस दैट इज फॉर रुपीज. ठीक है, तो रुपीज के लिए क्या आएगा? आर एस. फॉर रूपी दैट इज आर ई एंड रुपीज आर एस. Now children, let's come to our next topic, that is recognition of coins and notes. Recognition means identification. How to identify? As we have different types of coins as well as different types of notes, and you have to learn how to identify them. So children, these are the different types of the coins that we use in our daily routine life. All are round in shape. Can you see? These all coins are round in shape and they are made up of metal. So here we have 1 rupee coin, right? So this is the 1 rupee coin. Can you see? This is the other part of the other side of the coin and here 1 is written. Now next we have a 2 rupee coin. So look here, the value of the coin is written, that is 2, and look at the other side of the coin. Now here we have a 5 rupee coin, a value is written here, and look at the other side of the coin also. So here we have a last, that is 10 rupee coin, 1010 it is written, and look at the other side of the coin is also here. So these are the different types of the coins that we are using in our daily life. That is 1 rupee coin, a 2 rupee coin, a 10 rupee coin, a 5 rupee coin. Now children, we are going to start with our notes. So here we have a 10 rupee note. Okay, so it is made up of paper. You can see it is made up of paper and here the value of the note is also written, rupees 10, and this is the other side of the note. So next we have a 20 rupee note. So this is a 20 rupee note. Here value of the note is written, that is rupees 20, and this is the other side of the note. Here in spellings also it is written 20 rupees. After this we have a 50 rupee note, right? So here in numeral form it is written rupees 50, and on the other side you can see the other side of the note in words also it is written 50 rupees. So it is a 50 rupee note. So next we have a 100 rupee note. Okay, 100 rupee note. Next we have a 200 rupee note. Okay, so you can see it is written here value of the note, that is rupees 200. Other side of the note in words also it is written 200 rupees. After this we have a 500 rupee note. You can see rupees 500. So it is a symbol of rupees. Okay? Instead of writing words in spellings we use symbol here. Look, and on the other side it is written 500 rupees. So next we have a 2000 rupee note, rupees 2000, and look at the other side of the note. In spellings also it is written 2000 rupees. So we have seen all different types of note.